Hi children, today we will learn about 5th standard science subject in term 3 lesson 3 air. It's a continuous topic, effects of air pollution. Air pollution affects all living organisms including man. It causes serious health problems to human beings and affects both plants and animals. It brings about a lot of changes in the climate and environment also. The next three effects in the air pollution: depletion of ozone layer, marine life, effects on wildlife. Let us brief about these topics. Effects of air pollution. The first one, depletion of ozone layer. Ozone molecules are present in the Earth's atmosphere and they are responsible for protecting humans from harmful ultraviolet rays. Ozone layer is a deep layer in the stratosphere encircling the Earth that has large amounts of ozone in it. The layer shields the entire Earth from much of the harmful ultraviolet radiation that comes from the sun. For nearly 1 billion years, ozone molecules in the atmosphere have protected life on Earth from the effects of ultraviolet rays. Joseph Foreman and his colleagues first discovered ozone layer depletion in 1985. They found that there is a 40% of depletion of ozone layer. They discovered that the ozone layer depletion started since 1960s and about 30% of ozone layer has been destroyed. Ozone layer depletion is the reduction of the amount of ozone in the stratosphere caused by substances formed from breakdown of ozone deflecting substance. Ozone layer depletion is the gradual thinning of the Earth's ozone layer in the upper atmosphere caused due to the release of chemical compounds containing gaseous bromine or chlorine from industries or other human activities. Ozone layer depletion causes increased UV radiation levels at the Earth's surface, which is damaging to human health. Negative effects include increases in certain types of skin cancers, eye cataracts, and immune deficiency disorders. UV rays also affect plant growth, reducing agricultural productivity. Ozone depletion occurs when chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and halons, gases formerly found in aerosol spray cans and refrigerants, are released into the atmosphere. CFCs and halons cause chemical reactions that break down ozone molecules, reducing ozone's ultraviolet radiation absorbing capacity. Next one, marine life. Large amount of nitrogen present some fertilizers is washed into the water bodies. Once again, large amount of nitrogen present in some fertilizers is washed into the water bodies. They cause the growth of green algae in the seas. This is called eutrophication. This adversely affects fish, plants, and animal species. Main reason: high concentrations of nitrogen in rivers and groundwater are a problem. Nitrogen compounds can cause undesirable effects in the aquatic ecosystem, especially excessive growth of algae. Loss of fertilizers is an economic loss to the farmer. High concentrations of nitrate in drinking water may increase stomach cancer and blue baby syndrome. Each oil spill has a different effect on wildlife and the environment depending on certain factors. Spills affect not only humans but also fish, birds, other mammals, invertebrates as well as their habitat. Effect on wildlife. Just like humans, animals also face some devastating effects of air pollution. Toxic chemicals present in the air can force wildlife species to move to new place and change their habitat. The toxic pollutants deposit over the surface of the water and can also affect sea animals. Harmful substances present in the air affect wild animals. Wild animals move to a new place when the air is polluted. When their habitat is changed, they face extinction. Formation of the acid rain in the air damages fish life in lakes and streams. Rays from ozone layer with excessive ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun may cause skin cancer in animals. Rays from ozone in the lower atmosphere may destroy lung tissues of the animals. Toxic chemicals can force wildlife species to migrate to the places and change their habitat. Okay children, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.